Hello student, today I am going to solve NIS 321 Home Science question paper of February 2021. This question paper contains 30 questions. Section A has 22 questions and section B has 4 plus 4 questions. Maximum marks is 80 and passing marks is 20 only. Time duration is 3 hours. Attempt all questions from section A and one option from section B. Section A 1. What do you understand by the term posture? The position in which someone holds their body when standing or sitting. 2. Mention any two functions of protein. 1. Needed for growth, maintenance, and repair of tissues. 2. Necessary for production of enzymes, hormones, antibodies, hemoglobin. 3. Help in the clotting of blood. 4. Provide energy if necessary. 3. What could be two indicators of semolina being not fit for consumption? When lumps and wavels found in semolina, when semolina have not proper color and flavors. 4. What steps should a manager take to ensure that his office employees follow work ethics? Managers should set clear goals and objectives regarding the organization's work ethics and code of conduct. 5. List any four characteristics of resources. Resources are limited in supply, resources are interrelated, resources have alternate uses, resources can be substituted. 6. Write two reasons for shortage of goods in the market: increase in demand, decrease in supply, and government intervention. 7. What four precautions will you adopt while storing woolens for a long time? The garments are dried and well cleaned. Wrapping the garments in clean plastic bags for preventing bug and insects contamination. Storing in a dirt-free and dry place. The storage place should not be in direct sunlight exposure. 8. What could be four possible reasons students often suffer from boredom fatigue? Inadequate rest or nutrition, low level of mental stimulation, lack of choice or control over your daily activities, lack of diversified recreational interests. 9. Identify one reason for the following defects in fabrics. A. Filler yarns do not meet selvage at right angle. B. Color is rubbed off from the crease line. A. Fabric is off grain. B. Poor dye quality. 10. Identify the fabrics on the basis of the following properties. A. A natural fiber which is a good conductor of heat. B. A regenerated fiber which easily absorbs moisture. A. Rayon. B. Cotton. 11. Write two difference between children living in nuclear and joint families. Nuclear: independence, decision making. Joint: sharing, bonding with all. 12. A. What do you understand by thread count? What does it indicate? B. Write two differences between twill and reeve weave. You must have noticed that some woven fabrics look dense and compact whereas other open. This differences is due to the thread count, which refers to the total number of warp and webs per square inch of a woven fabric. Thread count tells us about the fabric quality and durability. Fabric with a higher thread count is better than fabric with lower thread count. Also, for good quality fabric, warp and webs should be more or less equal in number. Twill: clear diagonal line on face of the fabric, strong and durable webs. Reeve: any one direction line, less strong than twill. 13. Give 8 suggestions to a homemaker to reduce her electricity bills. Switch off lights and fan while leaving a room. Change over to energy efficient tube light from power consuming bulbs. Replace traditional chokes of tube lights with electronic chokes. Keep lights and fixtures clean and dirt free. Use dimmer switches to adjust the amount of lighting according to your needs. Use light colors for walls. Replace old fan regulator with electronic regulators. Use a refrigerator of the size your family needs. Use your washing machine 8 proper loads. 14. State any 8 indicators of social and emotional development of a 4 years old child. Love, surprise, fear, sorrow, pride, joy, shame, anger. 15. Describe any two parenting styles. What is their impact on the personality of adolescents? 1. Parents who give more freedom to the adolescents as he or she grows and at the same time take interest and responsibility for adolescents' decisions, encourage that adolescents to become more independent and responsible. 2. Parents who are very strict and who play the role of an authority figure, that is, who do not let the adolescents take any decision on her own, seriously hamper the adolescent's ability to be independent. 16. Guide the slum dwellers to change their 4 personal habits to prevent environmental degradation. Population control, proper place to dump garbage, maintain hygiene by washing hand, avoid to use common bathroom toilet, use clean water to drink, use gas instead of coal or wood. 17. Suggest 2 dietary tips each for the following disease: A. Diabetes, B. Constipation, C. Diarrhea, D. Jaundice. A. Diabetes. Normal diet with no sugar, meal taken at fixed time. Constipation. Take high fiber food, drink lots of water. Diarrhea. Liquid diet with low fiber, frequent meals, interval of 1 to 2 hours. Jaundice. Start with liquid and slowly go to a normal diet. Low fat meal at 1 to 2 hours interval. 18. Convince a family to maintain a record of their income and expenditure with 4 regions. Know how much you have spent on each item. Know whether you have spent more or less on certain items than the previous month. Control any unnecessary expenditure by not spending money on these items. Plan for future needs. Save money. Check or compare old prices with new prices. Avoid getting cheated. 19. Suggest a suitable lunch for a lactating mother. Give reasons for your selection of the menu. Lactating mother's meals should be rich of protein, calcium, vitamins A and C. We suggest to give her rice, roti, dal, palak, sabji, salad, egg and curd. 20. Guide your sister to make potato chips at home. Mention 4 other foods you would preserve by using this method. Ingredient: potatoes, salt, polythene bags, water, potassium metabisulfite, trays or muslin cloth. Methods: wash potatoes, peel and cut into circular pieces of 2 to 3 mm thickness. Dip the piece in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Take out and dip the potatoes chip in cold water containing little salt and potassium metasulfite for 10 minutes. For 1 liter of water, add 20 grams of salt and 3 grains of potassium metasulfite. This is done to prevent blackening of the vegetables. Strain and arrange the potato slices on a tray or polythene sheet. Cover with muslin cloth and place in the sun for several days till completely dry. Store in airtight container or pack in polythene bags. Beans, peas, dates, grapes. 21. Compare the following methods of cooking food: A. Boiling and poaching, B. Steaming and stewing, C. Baking and grilling. Boiling. Food is immersed in sufficient amount of hot water and heated to its boiling temperature. The temperature is maintained till the food is cooked. Poaching. Cook the food in minimum amount of liquid at temperature just below the boiling point. B. Stewing. It is gentle method of cooking in a pan with a lid. Food is simmered in small amount of liquid. Steam generated in the pan help in cooking and softening the food. Steaming. The steam generated by water is used as a medium of cooking. Food does not come in direct contact with water. C. Grilling. The food is placed on the metal grill directly above the sources of heat or a tray placed under the source of heat. Electric grill and hot plates are available. Baking. This method combines the action of dry heat with that of steam which is generated while the food is cooked. It involves use of oven or tandoor. Baked foods are crisp brown on top, soft and porous inside. 22. Give one reason each for the following statements. A. Towels should be made of cotton. B. Silk is used for marriages. C. Nylon is used for making ropes. D. Soft clothing is used for newborn babies. E. Old people need front open clothes. F. Nylon clothes should not be on in kitchen. A. Observe moisture. B. For a smooth and shiny look. C. Strong. D. Babies have tender and delicate skin. E. Easy to use. F. They catch fire easily. Section B. Option 1. 23. What is the role of pin holder and osies in flower arrangement? Pin holders are iron nails fitted onto a heavy metal base. These should be closely spaced, rust-free, and should be long enough to hold stems of flowers and leaves. Alternatively, a device known as Oasis is also available in the market. These can absorb a lot of water and keep flower moist. These should be soaked in the water until the air bubbles disappear and water enters right up to its core. 24. Identify 4 things in your kitchen which may require repairs. Fridge, mixer grinder, taps, stoves. 25. Give 2 examples each of the following: A. Alkali, B. Abrasive, C. Bleach, D. Solvent. Alkali, baking soda, ammonia. Abrasive, sand, sawdust. Bleach, sodium hypochlorine, hydrogen peroxide. Solvent, kerosene, petrol. 26. How will you repair an electrical fuse? Put the main switch off, identify the faulty appliances, switch off and remove it, take out the fuse, cut out and examine it. You will see the melted wire or it remains. Remove this wire and clean the cut out. Replace with a new wire. The new wire should pass through the hole if one is provided. Replace the fuse cut out, close the box and put the main switch on. Option 2. 23. Name any 2 warm colors and cool colors each. Warm color red, orange, yellow. Cool color green, blue and magenta. 24. Explain the process of making a sample of chain stitch. Chain stitch. This stitch appears like a chain on the face of the fabric. It is worked from top down. Bring the needle up through the fabric. Hold the loop with your thumb and insert the needle again at the same point. Bring the needle up a short distance away with the thread looped under needle. Repeat. It is used for heavy outlines or as a filling, making rows of chain following the outline of the shape being filled. 25. What point would you consider while buying a needle, thimble, scissor and a frame for your sewing kit? Why are these used? Pause the video and see the answer. 26. Sequence the steps of transferring a design on the fabric by using carbon paper. Place the fabric on a smooth, hard surface and anchor it with a tape. Carefully place a carbon paper carbon side down between the fabric and the design. Secure it with a tape. Place the design in the correct position and tape it in place. Trace the design with a dry ballpoint pen. Use enough pressure to transfer clearly. Use white or yellow carbon on dark colored fabric and blue color on light colored or white fabric.